Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to get the best crosshair in Rivals. Open up Settings. Select Crosshair. Now as I'm scrolling, look at these settings and copy them. Now the bars. Sorry if I took too long to scroll. Now if you want, change the transparency, but not too much. Once you're done with that, scroll to the dots. Now scroll to the dots. Then the circles, but we won't need the circle. This is the end result. Congrats, you just got the best crosshair in the game. Now go be the best on Rivals. Go subscribe and hope you enjoyed.